Welcome to Reynolda.org, and I'm going to walk through just how to make a few updates to the website in case this is needed after I am gone. So after you log into Reynolda.org, which you can log in using Reynolda.org/WP-admin to log in. I'm already logged in, so it's taking me to the dashboard for the website. If you're looking to go from the back end of WordPress to the homepage, you can go here and click Visit Site. And you'll find yourself on the homepage of the website. These slides here are called, it's the homepage slideshow. We also call them hero panels. We use them to promote a state visitation as a whole, our major exhibition on view in the Babcock Wing Gallery, gardens visitation, camps, things that are large traffic drivers to Reynolda.org and emphasize Reynolda's mission and programs and everything that we have going on. So if you were looking to update one of these slides, you would go to your dashboard. You would go to homepage slides and you can click on that item and you'll see they're labeled, the order of delivery, each of the slides that are currently running on Reynolda.org. Plan your visit and calendar, those are both evergreen, though you may decide that you want to switch out the art for either of these slides, and you can definitely do that. All you would do is go into click edit on any of these slides to get into the details. You'll see the headline, which you can update and customize here. The item label, which you'll see shows up right here. This is the item label. And you'll see that it changes for each slide item. The call to action on the buttons, which we generally just say learn more to keep that consistent from slide to slide. And then the link to where you are directing people. Because we're directing people to other Reynolda.org links, you don't need Reynolda.org/the information. You just need the back end of that URL. And you just pull that in there and it would be active. You can see the art here and you can click on that and upload a different file to replace it. And you would just click set featured image once you had updated that image and click update to refresh the slide information. If you would like to remove a slide from the slideshow, typically what I would advise is just quick editing and turning it to a draft. In the past, we'll typically just replace the slide information as well. So instead of trashing or drafting a slide, you would go in and edit it and say, we're going to change this to focusing on Reynolda Revealed, our free mobile app. We would go ahead and update the slide title, reflect the new focus. We'd update the headline, update the item label, the link, and the art image to reflect the new theme for the slide and click update. So then the fourth slide in our homepage panels would update to that new information. That is how you would update a homepage slide. The other item that I want to touch on is how to update this information right here, our business hours and admission information for the house, gardens, and village. So what you'll do is actually go to Reynolda theme settings. You can click on that. And from here, you can see the option to edit Reynolda House information, edit Reynolda Gardens, and edit Reynolda Village information. So you'd click on this, and you'd see the full name of the institution, the address, phone number. This information also displays in the footer of the website. You would see the admission ticket link as well. So say we get a new admission link for summer 2022, you would just come in and replace only this highlighted portion and click Save Changes, and then that admission copy would direct to the new link. Holiday closures, that page should be pretty static and won't need to be updated. And then you have also social media links as well. I'm going to go back to the Reynolda theme settings, and you'll also see edit main menu tickets or join and renew URL. So that is what is here. Join and renew museum tickets. And so to update join and renew or museum tickets, you would go and you would just replace this URL with the new online ticketing link. So for summer 2022 or a future admission window. And then you would update this link as well, which is also an internal link pointing to our membership page, to the new location, and click Save Changes. And then that would be live for both of these locations and throughout the website as a whole. So that is touching on all of this information here. The For the Curious block is a features block, which on your dashboard would be on the left-hand side, features. And you can see all the different features blocks that we currently have on the website. And they should all be labeled appropriately and pretty easy to disseminate. For the Curious is labeled For the Curious. And so you'd click on Edit to update the information here. This is a very simple process. So basically, if an event has sold out, or we're doing other promotional efforts around the event and there's a limited capacity, so maybe we want to remove it from this featured location until that part of the campaign has been executed, then we'll go ahead and remove them. These are supposed to be in chronological order from most recent at the top to least, or like the furthest out at the bottom, right? So say Young Explorers, which is tomorrow actually on the 1st, we want to update this with another event. So we'll drag this down to the bottom of the list because we're going to add it with another event that's after the spring plant sale. And we're going to update this to a new event. So we're going to delete the title of the event and try and find a new option. So what we can do is you can go to the calendar of events, right, to see all upcoming, load more. We have currently up through the spring plant sale, which is right here. So let's go ahead and add Groga. So we want to do Groga. You can type it in and you have to select Groga, the right Groga. So select Groga, update, because what that will do is pull in all the information from the event listing and bring it through to the home page. So you can see here that this first event, these events have all shifted to the left, and Groga has been added to the calendar of events in this For the Curious block. Other than that, feature stories, say you want to update one of these items from feature stories. This is also a feature block. So you go to features and you would go to feature stories, 3-column fresh screen, click edit, and you can see here the current feature stories. Here you are. So you can either do post and pull in the article information directly like we just did with the event information and For the Curious. So you can see that this is all generated from the article itself. Or you can customize the display for the block. So you would do custom item. You would put in a custom image. We did this because there were 2 artworks that we were showcasing. And they would both be cut off because these are square display. You add the headline from the piece, you'd add the item label, you'd add a brief teaser promoting the story, and then the link to the story. And you can see here that this is the only one that we've customized the display of, and that for the Reynolda Gardens feature story, it was again populating what is already on the article page itself. And then once you made any updates, you need to click update, and then this information would be renewed. There isn't really anything for this that will need to be updated, or this item that will need updating, or this item. So that is what you kind of need to know for updating the homepage of Reynolda.org.